Let's do some more multiplying polynomials. I'm calling this extended distribution. When you have a polynomial times a polynomial, we need to multiply everything in the first polynomial by everything in the second polynomial. You can actually do it in any order. What I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute the x to both of these, and then I'm going to distribute the -3 to both of these. That's going to create 4 different terms, and we'll collect like terms if we can to simplify our answer. Here's what I mean. If I distribute the x, I get x times x is x squared. Then x times 7 is 7x, and I separate those with a plus sign, unless they're negative, and then put a negative sign. Next, distribute -3. -3 times x is -3x, and -3 times 7 is -21. Those 4 terms are all the answers I need, and now collect like terms if you can. I only see x terms that are like terms, so I'm going to rewrite it as x squared plus 4x minus 21. Do you see where I got the 4x? That's 7x minus 3x is 4x. The other terms aren't like terms, so that's as simplified as the answer can be. Let's try another example. In this one, I'm going to try stacking them up. I'm still doing the same 4 multiplication problems, but I want to show you a different way to arrange it, and then you can pick whichever one you like better. We can rewrite it kind of like 2-digit number multiplication. So I'm going to put the 5x minus 10 down here. Think of it as 2-digit multiplication. Okay? So let's take the -10 and multiply by everything in the top. So -10 times 3 is -30. And then -10 times 2x is -20x. Okay, you know how we put a 0 and scoot everything over with 2-digit numbers? That's because of our decimal system. These are not decimal numbers. What we can do instead is see how we should line them up. Let's multiply everything by 5x and see what happens. So 5x times 3 is 15x. Put that under the term that matches it right here. So we did scoot it over by 1. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. So pay attention. I want to line up the like terms, so I'm putting it under the -20x. Now multiply 5x times 2x and we're about done. 5 times 2 is 10, so I get 10x squared. And I can put a plus sign to separate those. Now add straight down. I get -30, -20 plus 15, that's -5x, and 10x squared. Now stop and think about the previous example. Remember how we had 4 terms and we combined like terms? Same thing happened here. We have 4 terms, the like terms ended up right here, and we combined them. So there's 2 ways to multiply binomials together. Just pick the one you like better and use it every time.